Alright guys, this is day one, camping out in the van by myself. This is going to be day one, vlog van life maybe. I don't really know yet, but currently I need to make some YouTube videos. I need to start posting content again, so I'm trying to get more into that. So between videos like this and YouTube shorts, that's probably what I'll be posting. I got a bunch of stuff coming for the van. I'll be making some update videos on that and do some reviews on the stuff that I bought, and I'd like to do videos about installing it and then come back a while later after I've used it and decide if it was good, bad, or otherwise and leave a review. But I'm gonna go get, I'm really bad at pointing in the camera, but that fire over there going, and I'm gonna cut up the rest of that wood over there, and then I'll probably be back. So normally I build a fire with like paper and dry sticks and all that kind of stuff, but we just had a huge storm come through and everything is wet, so I'm taking the easy way out with Mr. Propane Torch. He's always a good friend to have when everything's all wet, but about 20 minutes this thing will be rolling pretty good. And through the magic of YouTube, boom, fire is rolling good. A lot of help from Mr. Propane Torch. Thanks again, buddy. You always come in clutch. So I'm gonna sit here for a while, enjoy this fire, wait till it gets a little darker, and then we'll probably do a van tour of basically nothing's done to it yet, but I want to get a before video so that way after all the stuff comes that I ordered, we can do a before and after. Hope you guys could hear the loons in the background. Alright guys, welcome to the inside of my van. It's really very basic, and this is kind of just a before video so I can kind of look back at this and see what I started out with. But currently we have the bed back here. I don't know that I'm going to keep it that way. I'm kind of considering running the bed behind the driver's seat up against the window and kind of where I've got this counter right now. I feel like that'd be better for storage in the back, and I don't know, the van's not quite wide enough to be comfortable laying down this way. You kind of end up like kicking the blinds and stuff like that, but we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited to get the solar system set up in here and see how that works. This van does have like really premium, nice wood accents. I really do like that about it. But yeah, currently I'm running off of this guy right here. Runs my lights, charges my phone. Lasts about, I don't know, 3-4 nights before I have to charge it. Currently though, I'm just camping. I'm not really living in my van, so it's not a big deal. I really like the checkered flooring. It's just carpet from Walmart, but I do like that. I'm gonna go to hardwood flooring eventually, and then somewhere, I'm not sure where, but if it stays like this and I don't move the bed, my charge controllers and my fridge and a bunch of other stuff's gonna live under there. And we got the scanner that keeps me entertained sometimes, and I'm gonna go to a single burner stove too, because I really don't need 2 burners. But yeah guys, that's the inside of my van. That's my quick little van tour, van vlog video. I guess we'll see how these go, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.